Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we break down the most exciting devices shaping the tech world. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a phone that carries legendary roots but now steps into the 5G era with a completely refreshed identity. Yes, it's the Nokia 3310 5G, a name that brings nostalgia, durability, and simplicity, now reimagined for the modern generation. This is not just a phone, it's a statement piece blending iconic heritage with futuristic technology. Stick around because we will uncover everything from design and performance to camera, battery, and whether it truly offers value for money. By the end, you'll know if this phone deserves a place in your pocket in 2026. Number 1 is design and build quality. The original Nokia 3310 was famous for being indestructible, and Nokia has kept that legacy alive with the 5G edition. The device feels solid, with a reinforced polycarbonate body that balances strength and lightness. It is compact, comfortable to hold, and designed with the same curved form factor that made the original such an icon. This phone does not try to compete with glass sandwiches and fragile bezels. Instead, it embraces a practical and stylish identity. The back panel is matte, resisting fingerprints, and the frame feels strong enough to survive daily drops. The tactile feedback on the buttons is satisfying, reminding you of old-school phones but with a modern polish. It is also IP rated for splash and dust resistance, so you can take it outdoors without worry. The Nokia 3310 5G is a reminder that not every phone needs to be slim and delicate. Sometimes, what you want is something you can throw in your bag, drop on your desk, and still trust to last for years. Number 2 is display. The Nokia 3310 5G comes with a compact yet vibrant Full HD Plus panel that makes a huge difference compared to its predecessor. Unlike the tiny non-touch display of the past, this one has a modern 5.2-inch OLED screen with deep blacks, sharp colors, and good brightness levels for outdoor use. It's not designed to compete with flagship curved AMOLED displays, but it is surprisingly sharp and enjoyable for media consumption. Watching videos, scrolling through social media, and even browsing the web feel natural. What really stands out is the minimal bezels and the simple, flat design, keeping it user-friendly without unnecessary distractions. Nokia has also added Gorilla Glass protection, ensuring that scratches and accidental knocks don't ruin the experience. Whether you're using it for casual viewing or simply to check notifications quickly, the display strikes a great balance between nostalgia and modern practicality. Number 3 is performance. This is where the Nokia 3310 5G surprises the most. Powered by a mid-range Qualcomm Snapdragon processor optimized for efficiency, the phone runs smoothly with everyday tasks. Opening apps, switching between them, browsing, and even light gaming are all handled with ease. Nokia has kept the interface lean and clean, without bloated software slowing things down. The addition of 5G means you get blazing fast internet speeds, making this phone not just a backup device but a reliable everyday driver. Performance here is not about chasing benchmarks but about consistency, reliability, and practicality. The phone stays cool under load, it does not overheat, and battery drain remains minimal even during long sessions. For a device that carries the 3310 name, this kind of smooth, modern performance feels both refreshing and nostalgic, proving that simplicity doesn't mean compromise. Number 4 is camera. The Nokia 3310 5G finally embraces modern photography while still keeping things straightforward. It features a dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a secondary wide-angle lens. Photos come out detailed with good dynamic range, especially in daylight. Colors are natural, not oversaturated, and the focus system is quick and reliable. In low light, the camera does struggle compared to flagships, but night mode helps bring out usable shots. The wide-angle lens is perfect for group photos or landscapes, making this little device more versatile than you'd expect. On the front, you get a 16-megapixel selfie camera that delivers sharp selfies, suitable for video calls and casual social media updates. The beauty of this setup is its simplicity. No gimmicky 4 or 5 camera arrays, just 2 solid lenses that work well and get the job done. It reflects the Nokia philosophy of giving users exactly what they need without overwhelming them with features they will rarely use. Number 5 is battery life. This is perhaps the biggest strength of the Nokia 3310 5G. Just like the original, it is built to last, and the new edition delivers outstanding endurance. With a 5000 mAh battery, optimized software, and energy-efficient hardware, you can easily get 2 full days of use on a single charge. Even heavy users will comfortably make it through a day and a half without reaching for the charger. The standby time is impressive, making it an excellent travel companion or secondary device. Fast charging is supported, so you can top up quickly when needed. Nokia has not gone for unnecessary wireless charging gimmicks, instead, it has focused on practicality and reliability. This is a phone that you can trust when you are on the go, whether you are on a business trip, traveling outdoors, or simply don't want to live plugged into the wall every few hours. Number 6 is software and features. The Nokia 3310 5G runs on a clean, near-stock version of Android, giving users a fast, uncluttered, and secure experience. There are no unnecessary pre-installed apps, just the essentials and a promise of timely updates. Nokia has also added thoughtful touches, such as customizable themes that give a nod to the classic 3310 interface, including nostalgic ringtones and even a modernized Snake game. Security updates are frequent, and the phone supports biometric unlock via both fingerprint sensor and face recognition. 5G connectivity is, of course, the headline feature, ensuring super fast browsing, streaming, and downloads. NFC support makes mobile payments seamless, and dual SIM capability adds flexibility for users who travel or juggle work and personal numbers. The phone does not overwhelm you with complex AI features, but it delivers exactly what matters, wrapped in a simple and easy-to-use software package. Number 7 is value for money. This is where the Nokia 3310 5G shines brighter than many competitors. It is not designed to replace flagship phones, but rather to provide an affordable, reliable, and durable alternative. The price point is modest compared to premium devices, yet the combination of 5G connectivity, solid performance, long-lasting battery, and iconic design make it an excellent buy. This is a phone that appeals to people who want a dependable device without spending thousands, as well as to those who value nostalgia combined with modern utility. Whether you are a student, a traveler, a business user needing a reliable second phone, or simply someone tired of fragile, overpriced flagships, the Nokia 3310 5G delivers exceptional value. It reminds us that not every upgrade needs to be flashy, sometimes the best upgrade is peace of mind and practicality. In conclusion, the Nokia 3310 5G is more than a modern reimagining of a classic. It is proof that simplicity, durability, and functionality can coexist with modern features like 5G, OLED displays, and capable cameras. It does not chase the latest trends, but instead builds on a foundation of trust and reliability. The design feels familiar yet fresh, the display is compact but vibrant, the performance is smooth and reliable, the camera setup is practical, the battery life is unbeatable, and the software experience is clean and secure. Above all, it offers incredible value, reminding us why Nokia earned its legendary status in the first place. If you are looking for a phone that stands apart in a world crowded with fragile glass slabs and confusing specs, the Nokia 3310 5G is a bold, confident, and refreshing choice. It is a device that blends the past with the future, giving you the best of both worlds. This is Apple Insider, and that was our full in-depth review of the Nokia 3310 5G. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the technology that